This call was on a Samsung dryer. When I originally got there, I checked, made sure the element had continuity. We was getting the HE code, so I changed the thermostats, changed the thermistor. We was still getting it, so my suspicion was right that the element was grounded out, and this is what I discuss here in this video.
Alright guys, I'm on the Samsung dryer here, and this is just a prime example of what I'm talking about, an element being grounded out. What you do is you want to get your leads. I got it on continuity check, and when I put it on the lead here and then I touch this ground, there's a ground going into the housing here. You know what that means? The element's grounded out. So therefore, that's why we was getting the HE code. You could do it on the top side. This is the reason why we was getting the HE code. I put thermostats in it, put a thermistor in it, and then I was like, you know what? I did not check to see if this thing was grounded. Sure enough, that's what the issue is. So always check to make sure the element's not grounded. We should not be getting a beep here. That's what's happening.
So as you can see here in this picture, this element was barely touching here. This is why I was getting the ground.
Alright guys, thank you for watching my channel. I hope you're enjoying the information that I'm putting out there. If you felt like you've learned something today and would like to contribute to my channel, I put a PayPal button at the top right hand corner of my page. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.